advanced chute system. $189. Free ship. Give it a try. If I can get the box open here with one hand. A lot cheaper than the other ones that I've found. My helper. Say hi.
Hi.
You gonna help me put this together?
Or other part. Other part.
Right here.
Okay.
Seems pretty heavy duty. Oh yeah. Real heavy. Okay. I'm gonna assemble this stuff.
Open the sag off. Open
See what
this
we got
off.
here.
Open this.
It's gonna go on the dirty Scag Tiger Cat 52. Like I said, this thing's really heavy duty, and from the reviews I saw, should be happy with it, especially for the price. I couldn't find anything for $300-400. This is $189 with free shipping. Figure why not? They also give there's instructions, and you can go to their website for a video as well. So I'm gonna try to do it without the video, or without instructions at all. We'll see how that goes. Attach this with 3/8 bolt nylon washer and nut. They also give you a small packet of grease. Supposed to grease that washer a little bit. So we got two. Another nylon washer. This one's bigger. It's 5/8 bolt. Slide that on. Grease it. Put the handle on. So the elbow is back. Put some grease on there. Tighten it down with this 5/8 nut lock washer. 1/4" bolt. Nut. Make sure the bolt's aiming to the outside. Leave the spring is going to attach out here. Check that in the next step. Also, if you go back a step after you put the handle on, gets another nylon washer. Next, we'll tighten up this washer here. It's a 15/16 socket. Next step, put it on the mower. Because it's a universal kit, each mower is different. So on the Scag, one tab goes there, and I'm gonna have to drill a hole somewhere. Okay, figure it out. She's on. I didn't really show any of this process. It's pretty self-explanatory. Each mower is going to be different. A bunch of different holes already die cut out there. So let's figure out what works for your mower. Drill it out. Make it happen. It seems pretty sturdy. Haven't had a chance to mow anything with it yet. Thanks for watching. I know it was pretty boring. Not a whole lot of info there, really. I thought it'd be a little more complex. I thought I'd be able to kind of do an instructional on how to put it together. Once I looked at it, it's really simple. So if you're somewhat handy, know how to run a few common tools, you should have no issues. I actually had a chance to take it out and mow a little bit earlier, and it seems to work just fine. Like I said, real heavy duty. I think I'm gonna be happy with it, especially for $189. You can't beat it. So that's it. Any questions, go ahead and comment below. Don't forget, like, subscribe. I'll come back. Thanks, guys.